Hi friends, today I'm doing Instagram famous smoky shimmery light cut crease eye look tutorial, and this is the ultimate party look that can make you the talk of the town, and it's very easy, and I'm going to do this like elaborate every step so that you can do this with me. So let's go. Paint your brows first. I'm using Maybelline's brow pencil. Brow gives you the shape of the eye, so it becomes easy to put on eyeshadows. Set the brow with some brow gel. I'm using PAX 2-way gel. Take a spoolie brush and set the brow shape properly. Prime and moisturize your face properly for smooth, hydrating makeup finish. I'm using Purple's 24 karat gold oil. Show your face some love and massage it into your skin. Priming your eye is very important. I'm using e.l.f. eye primer. Take a little bit of product and blend it smoothly. What is your favorite primer, by the way? And do you even use a primer on your eyelid? If you do so, please tell me what is your favorite eye primer. Write it in the comment. For eyeshadow, I'm taking Lakme 925 eye portrait called Smoky. Take the silver shimmer and pat it down all over your eyelid. You can do it with your finger or with a flat brush. Take a kajal pencil and outline your crease line with it. If you have hooded eyes like me, then paint it little bit up above your crease line. And during this process, if your silver shimmer is fading, then apply some more. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and taking some matte brown color in it and smudging the kajal line that I have made previously. Now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and taking 2 shades lighter than the brown shade and blending it up to the brow bone. After blending, if the kajal line fades, then add a little bit more, of course, to define the sharp line, but be careful. Don't overdo it, because if you overdo it, you are going to kind of mess the look. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to my channel right now, because I'm going to bring such amazing, easy peasy and very low budget product review, etc. and easy peasy tutorials. So do it now. Now with that kajal, line your eyes. Do a sharp wing up till your cut crease. I'm color correcting my dark circles with warm concealer. If you don't have dark circle, then this is not a necessary step for you. For foundation, I'm using Lakme, and for brush, I'm using Wet n Wild flat top brush. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Now I'm brightening my under eye with lighter color concealer, but Of course, do not use too much. Add some concealer brush on the thin flat brush and clean the liner and the cut crease area to make it look crisp and sharp. Contour your cheek and nose. Also, do not forget to like this video, okay? Apply some cool tone blush if you have any, but if you don't, go for pink or more like mauvish pink or old rose pink. Set with the minimum amount of powder that you need. Curl your lash. Apply thick coat of mascara. Use lip balm, lip tint or gloss with this eye look. I don't think matte won't look very good with this look. I'm not sure. So, though it is my opinion, I mean, yeah, you can use matte, but I would prefer lip balm, lip tint or gloss. Oh yes, you and me both are ready to rock the party. And if you love this video or know a friend who will definitely love this video, will need this video, then share it to them. See you in my next video. Bye bye.